Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Biman from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can change the voice of your Google Assistant. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can change the voice of your Google Assistant. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now you can do this by simply going ahead and opening the Google app on your phone. Once you open the Google app, tap on your profile photo on the top right hand corner, and on this particular page you want to go ahead and select the option which says settings. As you go to settings, over here you'll be able to find the option which is Google Assistant. Simply tap on Google Assistant and you'll be able to see a bunch of these options. Here you want to actually scroll down and find the option called maybe voice or some kind of similar option. So go ahead and look for the option called voice. So right over here, as you can see this option which says Assistant Voice and Sounds, how your assistant will sound. You can simply tap on it, and by default you have this. If you want to hear the first voice, you can tap on it.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
If you want to use the other one, you can simply tap on it again.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
Or else, there are more you can choose from.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it,
just stop here.
So you can see a bunch of these options. You could go ahead and browse through all of them together and simply change your assistant voice in that way. At the bottom you also have a bunch of different options. This was the way on how you can change your assistant voice. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.